Hey everyone, welcome back to the MailsDaddy channel. In our previous video, we have showed you how to connect Office 365 with PowerShell. If you haven't watched it yet, just click on the I button. In today's video, we dive into how to add single or multiple users to Microsoft Office 365 using the PowerShell through the Microsoft Graph API. Whether you are managing a small team or working in a large organization, this is an essential skill for administrating your Office 365 environment. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that you have the necessary modules installed in PowerShell, as we are going to use Microsoft Graph API. So first we need to install the module. For that, open the PowerShell 7, run as administrator, run the following command. I can also provide all the commands in description below. Copy and run the command. Next, we need to authenticate to Microsoft Graph. This is how you can connect your PowerShell session to Microsoft 365. For that, use this command. This will prompt you to sign in with your admin credential. Once you are signed in, you can start managing your users. Now, let's move on to adding a single user. This is useful if you are managing users one at a time. Let's say we want to create a username James Parker. Here's the command to add him. Copy, paste. Let me explain that command. We are specifying the user's full name, email address, and a few other details. Importantly, we have set the for change password next sign in parameter to true, which ensures that James will be prompted to change his password upon first sign in. If you don't provide a password in the command, PowerShell will auto generate one for the user. This is how you can add single user in Office 365 through PowerShell. We can also verify whether the user created or not. For that, go to Office 365. Here you can see the James Parker user has been added successfully. What if you need to add multiple users at once? Well, PowerShell has you to covered with CSV file. Here how it works. User principal name, display name, first name, last name, job title, and department. Save it and you are ready to go. Once you have your CSV file, let's connect to Microsoft Graph. For that, run this command. Verify your admin credentials. Now, let's import this CSV file and loop through each user to create them. For that, run this command. This script will create each user from the CSV file. Remember, this is a bulk operation, so make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly. Now we can verify whether the user is created or not. For that, go to Office 365. Here we take Jane Smith and John Doe. So search. Here you can see the Jane Smith has created and John also created, And this is how you can easily create a user through PowerShell. Before you finish, here are some quick tips. Make sure the Microsoft Graph module is installed before running the commands. Also, double check the CSV file data is to avoid any error. And that's it. You have now learned how to add both single and multiple users in Microsoft Office 365 through PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the MailsDaddy channel for more tips on Office 365, PowerShell and everything in between. If you have any question or run into issues, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.
I don't understand what's been on my mind lately. It's slow and messy. I don't understand why be so nice to me. Then you just met me.